Networking experience here is interesting. We have been able to meet with investment partners, specifically focusing on the TIC, on the internet space and cloud computing, as it is very specific to cloud computing. This is exactly what we're looking at, and also with some large corporations like Swisscom, Dell, Capgemini, with quite an interesting panel. So it was very beneficial for us. I think that I would encourage a startup company to come here, be here, show what they have been doing, come with their innovation under their arm, and pitch to the crowd for making a great network of people that will help them.
Our company gets some interest from the prospects, and we've been discussing the company and a business model with the colleagues, with the interested funds, and it was very useful conversation and discussions, and I believe they will lead to some good business at the end of the day.
So it's been great. Actually, we've landed 2 customers, and we focus more on revenue, customers, and value creation rather than raising money. But also we got a couple of M&A experts and so on who wants to help us. So this has been really great.
Because we already met with a couple of VCs, and it's always good if you can bring a good story, right? I mean, you can sense how they keep track of you, right? You might not hear from them for like a year, maybe 2 years, but they remember you. And then you can, and sometimes you hear, so what happened with that deal? What happened with that deal? If you can come to a conclusion that everything went well, that's actually pretty good. So I had some good talks with a few VCs. I'm still looking for the occasional partner and let's say business customer. But we'll see. There's another day tomorrow.
It's been very positive. It's always a good learning exercise going through the process of applying to go on the summit. It makes you think about your business and what your value proposition is and what your competition is and what your challenges are. So that's a good, the qualification process is a valuable process in itself. And then, being here, I think, having such a, access to so many people in the industries, the tech industry, beyond the space that we're working with every day, just getting that broader perspective, I think, is one of the biggest benefits.
There are a lot of network opportunities during the summit. To give you one example, when we were here 2 years ago, we made contact with EPFL. Now, since then, we've implemented an AmpliStore storage system at EPFL to store the Jazz Montreux media archive. So that was like a fantastic result. Now, at this event, we have the opportunity to talk to CERN and several other companies. So there's definitely a lot of networking opportunity here to establish additional business.